I think it's important to understand how the digital world works because we are on it all the time now.
When it comes to AI, at first, I definitely had to learn it on my own. It came out very suddenly before it could be integrated all that well in school systems.
Nobody taught me how to use AI. I kind of just prompted the chatbot whatever my question was, and it would give me the answer.
Nobody has taught me how to use AI. I learned it out from using social media.
I feel like understanding AI means having a better idea about what happens behind the scenes.
I believe it's important for AI to be integrated into the education system because it allows people to learn how to ethically use AI in their day-to-day life.
I think that people should learn about how AI actually works and not take everything that it gives you at face value.
When I grow up, I really wanted to become a doctor, specifically a surgeon. But it's not only having to learn biology, chemistry, physics, but I also have to learn coding and AI too.
Something I'd want to build with AI would be something in the medical field to better handle the volume of requests they get for medical aid.
Something I want to build with AI is AI just for dancers. Maybe the AI can analyze their dancers' video, correct their posture or some kind of technique.
I would like to make an app that would help out with people who would need to, just like a math tutor.
Something I would like to build with AI is an itinerary maker, which is customized for you. Right now, I am actually working on a personal project where I want to combine at least an aspect of medicine and AI together. And I want to make this accessible to everyone in the world, in which that we can provide treatments and monitor everyone's health conditions so everyone stays healthy.
In a world where AI can do anything, I think what matters is using it logically alongside your brain and not letting it think for you.
What counts is using it to build on what you have, not create everything for you entirely. If we understand how AI actually works, we can use it more creatively and effectively.